In the world of pharmaceuticals, safety is the absolute priority for every single patient. Manufacturing facilities must be pristine to prevent any form of cross-contamination between different drug batches. This is where cleaning validation becomes the critical guardian of product quality and patient health. Cleaning validation is a documented process that proves cleaning procedures effectively remove all chemical residues. It ensures that equipment remains free from active ingredients used in previously manufactured medicinal products. Without rigorous validation, the risk of patient exposure to unintended substances becomes a dangerous reality. The process begins with a thorough risk assessment of the manufacturing equipment and product properties. Scientists identify the worst-case product, which is the most difficult substance to clean away. They then establish acceptance criteria based on toxicological data and safety limits for each drug. Analytical methods are developed to detect even the smallest traces of residue on equipment surfaces. These methods must be highly sensitive, precise, and validated to ensure reliable testing results. Sampling techniques are then selected, such as swabbing or rinse water analysis, for verification. Swabbing involves physically wiping hard-to-reach areas where residues are most likely to accumulate over time. Rinse water analysis captures residues from the entire internal surface area of complex manufacturing systems. Once samples are collected, they are sent to the laboratory for rigorous quantitative analysis. The data must demonstrate that residues are well below the established safety limits every time. Consistency is the key. Validation requires 3 consecutive, successful cleaning runs to prove reliability. If any test fails, the cleaning process must be reevaluated and improved immediately. Regulatory agencies like the FDA and EMA mandate these strict cleaning validation protocols worldwide. Compliance is not just a legal requirement, it is an ethical obligation to the public. Documentation is the backbone of this entire validation process, providing a clear audit trail. Every step, from the cleaning agent used to the temperature of the water, is recorded. Operators are trained extensively to follow these validated procedures with absolute precision and care. Even minor deviations in the cleaning cycle can compromise the integrity of the entire system. Regular monitoring ensures that the validated state is maintained throughout the equipment's operational life. Changes in equipment, cleaning agents, or manufacturing processes trigger a revalidation requirement. This proactive approach prevents potential contamination before it can ever reach the final product. Advanced technologies like clean-in-place systems automate the process to reduce human error significantly. These systems provide repeatable results that are essential for high-volume pharmaceutical manufacturing environments. Validation also considers the degradation products of drugs, which can sometimes be more toxic. Microbiological control is another vital aspect of the cleaning validation strategy in facilities. Preventing biofilm formation is essential to maintain a sterile environment for injectable drug production. The cleaning agents themselves must be validated to ensure they are fully rinsed away. Residual cleaning agents could potentially interact with future drug batches, causing unexpected chemical reactions. Therefore, the analytical methods must also be capable of detecting these specific cleaning agents. A holistic view of the facility is necessary to ensure no hidden contamination sources remain. Cross-contamination can occur through air handling systems, shared tools, or even operator movement. Cleaning validation extends beyond just the primary vessel to include pipes, valves, and pumps. Every component that touches the product must be part of the validated cleaning program. The cost of a failed batch due to contamination far outweighs the investment in validation. Trust in the pharmaceutical industry relies entirely on the consistent quality of every dose. Patients depend on the fact that their medication is pure, safe, and effective always. Cleaning validation provides the scientific evidence that this trust is well placed and deserved. It transforms cleaning from a simple chore into a sophisticated, science-based quality control measure. Quality by design principles are now being integrated into cleaning validation strategies more frequently. This means designing equipment that is inherently easier to clean from the very beginning. Smooth surfaces and rounded corners reduce the areas where residues can hide and build. Modern facilities prioritize cleanability as a fundamental design feature for all new production lines. As drug molecules become more potent, the requirements for cleaning validation become even stricter. High-potency active ingredients require specialized containment and extremely sensitive detection methods for validation. The industry continues to evolve with better sensors and real-time monitoring of cleaning processes. Digitalization allows for instant tracking of cleaning status across the entire manufacturing plant floor. This transparency ensures that no equipment is used unless it has been properly validated. Ultimately, cleaning validation is a testament to the industry's commitment to patient safety. It is a silent but powerful process that protects millions of lives every single day. By adhering to these standards, manufacturers ensure the highest quality of healthcare for everyone. Science, precision, and diligence form the foundation of successful pharmaceutical cleaning validation programs today. Remember, a clean facility is the first step toward a safe and effective medicine. Let us continue to uphold these rigorous standards to protect the health of humanity. Cleaning validation is not just a task, it is the heartbeat of pharmaceutical manufacturing excellence.